Hello and welcome, and you find me not in the shop. You find me at my super duper shooting location. We are out because I've recently found on YouTube PRS shooting. Now, we're not going to do that. However, I'm intrigued by it all. Intrigued. So what we're going to do is a PRS Markism version, and we're going to do TGR Tactical. Now, this is only a run through, so I'm just having a little practice run with a few friends and a few people who come in the shop who we know, and we're going to have a little run and see whether we can do one at my super special secret shooting location. Videos to follow. So I'm going freehand. Check the microphones on. Yep, a bit of a mare. We are going to be shooting some of these gongs. So they're about the size of my hand, but that genuinely isn't easy. For the distances that we're going to be shooting, which is up to 65 yards, I think I ranged it at. That is going to be quite a tricky challenge. So that's the targets that we're shooting at. There are some smaller as well for closer range. And we are also going to be at some point having Hornaday hit indicators, but they should become apparent in the filming. So guys, I'm hiding away from the wind. As you can tell, it's a glorious day, and behind me there you can see the sun, but wind is absolutely grim today. And as you probably noticed, the microphone isn't doing overly well in the wind. At one point it actually cut out, and I'm really disappointed because it was some of my best shooting in this wind. I will put the clip up, but basically what I'm saying is that I've got a hit indicator, Hornaday hit indicator, which flashes when it senses vibration from a bullet strike or anything like that. Really, really good. You should look into them. If you're into airgunning, they're a really cool bit of kit, actually. They run off USBs and you can recharge them. Absolutely awesome. But that is what's coming. That's basically what I'm saying in the video. Also, I did say it was 75 yards and I was going to try and shoot it offhand. Hopefully that works. Well, let's get in away from this wind. Now, obviously, it is going to get better. We are going to finesse some of the tricky bits. We're also going to get some of the obstacles better. We're going to get some of the targets better and all the rest of it. But if you are interested in having a go at airgun PRS style competitions, i.e. TGR tactical, or I'm not going to name it that. I don't know what we'll name it. Think up names for the competition in the comments below, because I need suggestions. This is where my imagination runs out, unfortunately. But if you are interested, it would be the ground in between Plymouth and Exeter. More details to follow. It's far 10 minutes off the A38, so there's no real time to get here once you're off the A38. If you're interested in having a go at the PRS style competition with an airgun, please do get in contact. You can contact us through Facebook, you can contact us through email, you can contact us through homing pigeon if you really fancy. I mean, I quite like pigeons. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that. We got some good videos. Let's see how we go.